Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ChatGPT workflows for business automation, complete guide step by step clearly. First, identify the specific workflow you want to automate using ChatGPT. Analyze the tasks involved in this workflow to understand the inputs and outputs. Determine the role of ChatGPT in this workflow. Gather documentation related to the business process for clarity. Set clear objectives for what you want to achieve with ChatGPT automation. Access the ChatGPT interface or API to begin configuring your workflow. Create a prompt that clearly defines the task you want ChatGPT to perform. Test the prompt with a variety of inputs to gauge its performance. Evaluate the responses generated by ChatGPT to ensure accuracy and relevance. Refine the prompt based on the evaluation results to improve output quality. Implement log tracking to monitor ChatGPT interactions and responses. Engage stakeholders to gather feedback on the preliminary results. Use feedback to adjust the workflow as necessary for better integration. Conduct a pilot test of the updated workflow in a controlled environment. Assess the pilot results to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Make necessary adjustments and tests until the workflow meets business standards. Document the final verified workflow process for future reference. Train team members on how to use the automated system effectively. Regularly review the workflow's performance to ensure it continues to meet business needs. Stay updated with new ChatGPT features that might enhance the workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.